Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Peugeot Boxer panel van in L3H3 configuration. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is painted in white and comes in the Business Plus premium level. It's fitted with electrically adjustable and heated mirrors. As I mentioned before, it's in an L3H3 configuration. Rear parking sensors over the rear bumper and barn-style opening doors. And over to the curbside, you have the sliding door. At the back, you have a full metal bulkhead and lighting fixtures over the roofline. You also have 8 anchorage points over the floor line, plus 4 more at mid-height to secure all your cargo. Size-wise, it's 122 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 242 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, and then an extensive 360 centimeters of fully usable floor space. The cabin is in a 3-seat configuration with the new ergonomic comfort seat, which is fully adjustable with lumbar support and a soft armrest for your long trips. The middle seat bench is also equipped with a really useful tray table with a clip for document holding. And then you have storage solutions over the passenger side of the dashboard. Some more storage at the center as well. The 4-spoke multifunction steering wheel holds the controls for the infotainment on both sides, and the steering wheel column itself is adjustable in depth. Plus you have the stalks for the lighting and cruise control, plus the wipers. A bit further down the right, you have a cluster to control the auto start and stop, toggle the rear fog lights, and adjust the height of the beam, plus the controls for the trip computer. For infotainment, you have a Peugeot Uconnect unit with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the USB cable, and navigation, which is also powered by TomTom. The radio is a DAB functionality as well. Underneath the infotainment, you have the controls for the air conditioning, and then you have the toggles for the heated mirrors, center locking unit, and traction control. And under the center console, you have some more storage solutions with 2 big cup holders as well. This vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Peugeot Boxer panel van in L3H3 configuration. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.